Still having trouble meditating? Don't give up yet. Instead of being mindful, try doing some meditative practices and focus all of your attention on it. In this episode, we'll focus only on meditation with movement. This is my own technique that I started doing a few years ago, back in the old days of mine. It's probably some part of Tai Chi or Qigong, I really don't know, because I haven't found anything that looks exactly like it. But maybe if you stumbled on something similar, let me know in the comments. I'm really curious where it may be from. It is very simple and intuitive. Probably many of you have done some form of it already, but if you dive deeper and slower, it can be a really powerful meditation. So let's jump into practice, and I hope you do it with me. Spread your foot in a 60-degree angle or more and start swinging from one foot to another. Let your hands flow by themselves. See how they are going. And then amplify your movement of your arms and hands. Your head swings from left to right. Let the flow move through your body. The key to all of these movements is your pelvis. It moves in the infinity symbol, not only from left to right, but also front to back. This could be your driving motor. Variant 1. Imagine a string of light that you gently hold and slide over it. If you've lost the movement, don't worry. Return to standing position and just start again by moving from left to right, like in every dance. At first, when you want to find the right flow, do the movement a little bit faster, see how it's going by itself, and then slow your pace little by little to be more connected to the energy. You can also make the string much thicker. Make round circles on the left side and on the right side, which gives you an infinity symbol band around you. Don't control it, just ride the wave. Variant 2. Shake a little from left to right with your head and hips. This one starts from your shoulders. This is more like a tidal wave, rising and collapsing. Back of your hands are facing the direction of movement. Just loosen up and move the gravity of your body from one side to another. When you slow down, it is much harder to maintain the flow, but that's what we're practicing. Don't worry if you lose it, just resume or start from the beginning. If you're having trouble finding the wave, try lifting up your heels to see when the wave is starting and when it's collapsing. Your pelvis moves like in a previous variant, but you add to it a up and down direction, so it's 3 axis. Of course you can switch everything, make your own moves, but always do it with the flow. What you're doing on one side, do the same on another side. to be centered.